Today is April 7, 2022, Thursday, четверг, and Sarin and myself, because day is beautiful, sunny, 16 degrees at least, decided to go, because we can, to Hoover Lake trail hiking. And I don't know what time it is now, after 3, and we are standing by the Hoover Lake, having kind of snack, and nevertheless, here it is, Hoover Lake. Hoover Lake is not far from Stave Lake, which is not the lake, the stupid reservoir, but this is a real lake, and something is in the water, big, like crocodile or something. We could hear it from the campsite. Well, let's see, maybe something will come out of it. But this is a glacier lake, so called. I don't know what can live here. It's probably covered by ice and it's cold, which means it could be frozen to the bottom. If not, then the fish can live there. And we're kind of standing on peninsula, like Crimea, and then we have to go a little bit back, and then let me do one more panoramic view of the lake. And then we have to end up on that side of the lake, on that hill, and walk that direction, and somewhere in there will be viewpoint of the Stave Lake. I am done with my snack. So anyway, I'm returning to Sarin and the camp spot, and then we keep going. It's a beautiful day. What can I say? I see Sarin. Ready?
Ready.
Me too. I'm wondering where they keep tent.
One there.
It's not flat. Maybe there.
One here. There.
Maybe, yeah. Anyway, enough video for this moment. We have to keep going. See you next time at Stave Lake Viewpoint. Yeah, we are out of the forest and trying to walk this road to have better view on the Stave Lake, which is right there. But surprisingly, how did they manage to cut the trees there?
I don't know, man. With the helicopter, maybe.
Looks like.
It was one side when we lost the trees.
Yeah.
Exactly like that.
Let's go to the end, have a lunch, and then we go back home. And I hope it won't be pouring rain yet. Doesn't look that bad.
I believe it's the end.
Yeah, I look on the map on the Kaltopa, and it's the end. Anyway, I have another drop of the rain on my head. Stave Lake, nice view. Oh my!
I believe it's the highway there, man.
I don't know. Let's go to the end anyway.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter if it's rain or not. Okay, still April 7, and we went to the very end of the trail, and now we're going back home. I don't know what time it is, but this is probably the best viewpoint of the Stave Lake, but freaking dangerous.
Where is the helicopter? Holy shit.
Somewhere far away, I guess. Anyway, that's the best view of Stave Lake so far. Mount Robin Reed, something like that. And, yeah, I see helicopter.
Yeah, I can see.
I don't know what's doing. But anyway, there's the Stave Lake. And Sarin is there. Oh man, I was afraid to come to that bloody thing. Anyhow. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yo, 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 yo. Honestly, I'm lost where that place where you run the cars in the mud. Maybe it's back there.
Yeah,
I don't know.
way back, man. It was only 500 meters, man.
Oh, not that far, right?
No.
Okay. Well, there are houses there or whatever.
So where is the way back?
This one. Okay, let's go. Time to go.